seems like you like me too. We can take it.
我终于 check in 也过完海关了，超级久的。然后我现在要去贵宾室吃点东西，休息一下。
Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight.
然后我去 check in 的时候，我的托运行李还有我的随身行李都超重，但是那个 check in 的人超好，他就直接让我过。昨天看完演唱会，就是3点到台北，4、5点才睡。那我现在非常累，等一下飞新加坡先转机，再飞巴黎，预计在飞机上大爆睡。整个贵宾室都没有人，左边那边还有一区，那边也没有人。
So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. For me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning.
上飞机了。
I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be.
我终于成功入境法国了。刚刚等过海关的人超多，我排了大概快1个小时左右吧。终于，好累哦！我现在要去拿行李。
Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think